Hello, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Samsung Crystal TV that could be 55 inch, could be 50 inch, could be 65 or 75 to your Samsung account. For example, I have Samsung Crystal 75 inch 4K TV. So how I can connect to my Samsung account in this case? I will shut it down to show you from the beginning. When you start at the corner, you can see here it's a Samsung account. Very easy and simple. So use your remote. Here you have arrow and go to the Samsung option. You see, move the arrow when you see Samsung account. Now hit this button at the middle that works as enter and wait. So already I have one account is connected with TV. If I want to connect a new account, what I can do? Here you have to go sign in option. If you don't have Samsung account, you can create a new Samsung account. You have to have live account, Outlook account or Google account. You can create a Samsung account very easily. And if you already have Samsung account, hit sign in option here. Now you have to put your email address and passwords. Okay, let's put it here. Then you see here you have next button, hit next. Then passwords, hit sign in. As you see, it's signing into my account. And in your phone, whatever device is connected, they will get the information to allow or it not. You have to allow to your Samsung account to your phone or other device what is connected. I hit yes in my phone and I hit done here. That's all, my Samsung account is connected now with my TV. So very easy and simple tutorial, guys. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.